Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WebGL build and how to host it on itch.io. First, go to Build Settings and select WebGL. The first thing I do is create a new WebGL profile. I duplicate the existing one so I can keep my settings clean and organized. After that, open Player Settings. Before switching the platform, let's do some important optimizations. Under Publishing Settings, set code optimization to disk size, then disable name files as hashes. Next, go to the splash screen section. Here, I customize or disable the Unity splash screen and adjust the other visual settings. Once everything is ready, go back to Build Settings and click Switch Platform. This may take a minute depending on your project size. When the switch is complete, click Build, create a new folder, give your WebGL build a new name, and let Unity do its magic. After the build is finished, I take the entire build folder, right-click it, and compress it into a zip file. And now, the project is ready to upload and share. Now, go to itch.io and create a new project. First, set up the title screen, add your cover image, upload a few gameplay screenshots, and write a short description of your game. Then choose the kind of project. Make sure it's set to HTML for WebGL. After that, go to the pricing section and select the option that fits your game. Next, set the release status the way you want. Once everything is ready, scroll down and upload the zip file we created earlier. After that, set the page resolution to 1280 by 720 so the game fits nicely in the browser. Finally, after saving, remember that to publish the game as public, you might need to go back and adjust some settings on itch.io. And that's it. Your game is ready to share on itch.io. Don't forget to go back and set it as public so everyone can play your game. Have fun publishing and enjoy seeing people play your creation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more game dev content. See you in the next video.